Hello and welcome back to Canvas and Pixels by Next Layers. This is a quick tip. Recall in the last video that we move this cover from this to this. Alright, and if you have not seen the video, please refer to the link in the description below or check the link that is showing at the top right corner of this video. It is also important that you need to go and check my video where I spoke about how to lay a book from start to finish, not with CorelDRAW but with Adobe InDesign. Alright, so I wanted to address one thing that I didn't add in the last video, and that is how do we calculate the spine of this book. Recall that I initially mentioned that for the number of pages we arrived at after working on that book, this is definitely too much. Even if it's going to be hardcover, this is way too much. Alright, so we wanted to calculate the spine for this book, and I have a quick formula for you. This is about to blow your mind. So I have kept the formula here. You either write it down or refer to this video anytime you need it. This is telling you the number of your pages multiplied by your grammage multiplied by 14 divided by 2160. Now your grammage is the thickness of your paper. Your grammage is the thickness of your paper. Now in the case of this book, it was 102 pages, pardon me, multiplied by, we will be producing with 80 grams. All right, so I'll just write it out. 102. I kept writing 6. We're producing with 80 grams. I'll just say multiply by 80. All right, and whatever I get, I'm going to divide by 20160. Now, please note that your answer will be in millimeters. It will be in mm. So let's just demonstrate. That will be 102 multiplied by 80 multiplied by 14. Don't mind all the figures. Divided by 20160. And you see we have 5.6. Now this 5.6 is in mm. So I'll just switch back to my cover. Don't forget that I mentioned that your result is in mm. So I'll say 5.6 and I'll put mm. Look, what we are doing here can be done in all your software. Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, even InDesign. All of them have unit of measurement, and you can switch from one unit of measurement to another. All right, this is just a tool. I mean, this is just the software that the client sends the cover in, and I felt it's just okay to stay with it. That I've even had clients who sent a document with Canva. All right, so let's proceed. Now you notice when I moved it to this size, we now have space. Now let me show you what I usually do. I just get this line, this being my last point on the left. I'll group everything that I have here, Ctrl G, and then select the two of them together, press R to balance it to the right. I will do to the right, select everything and group them together with that, and I'll do L. And now we are done. We have our spine fully done. After print, you have nothing to fear. I wanted to show you the formula again. Number of pages multiplied by grammage. Your grammage is the thickness of your paper. And now I need to mention that it doesn't matter if this is in cream bond paper, white bond paper, or even newsprint. This formula it seems to work. All right, and don't forget that your answer will be in millimeters. I hope you have also learned one thing today. If this has been meaningful to you, please do like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Bye for now.